saying? I got the cheat code. Yeah, I got the cheat code. Yeah.
Bruh.
What's up, YouTube? Good morning. It is the next morning. Today I'm gonna get a haircut, okay? Because I just lost my train of thought. But I forgot to have an intro for this video. So today's intro for this video, which was recorded yesterday, is a leg workout and just a vlog, just hanging out. I am going to add a picture in the next scene that I want you guys to screenshot, because that was the entire workout that you guys can try out. Again, you know, everyone's at different levels of fitness, so do not think that in order to do the workout you need to be doing the same rep range, or this, not rep range, because the rep range you want to keep the same weight as me. No, everyone's at a different level, so pick a weight that's comfortable for you, but then again challenging. But you can kind of, you know, 10-12 reps you can get. You'll struggle around 10, pushing yourself towards the last 2. But I hope you guys enjoy the workout. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you're feeling nice, give me a comment. You know, no one really gives a comment. It's kind of hard to give a comment because, like, what do you have to say? But yeah, I am gonna have oatmeal. I'm gonna have, what am I having? Almost 30 grams, 27 grams of carbs. It's gonna have 3 grams of fat, 5 grams of protein, and then I'm gonna have 6 eggs, 2 whole eggs, 4 egg whites. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Bye! Food guy, say what's up to the vlog. What's up, YouTube family? I'm currently, I just got out of school and I lost my car, but I only had 1 class today, and now it is 9:10. Found it. It's 9:10 and we are going to the orthodontist, and I'm kind of scared because I haven't been wearing my retainers that often, and like this tooth right here, it's really bothering me because it shifted. It's kind of my fault, so I know they're gonna say something about it, so let's see what happens. I'm gonna get yelled at for sure. Show them the fit, bro. Wait, open the door, they can't see. Oh.
Really, nigga?
Okay. Is that the Beatles?
Yeah. Trying to get like you, Guns N' Roses.
Oh, Guns N' Roses?
Money King.
And Beatles?
Yeah.
What if Guns had Beatles?
Beatles had guns.
Hi.
Okay.
What's up, YouTube? So we just got out the orthodontist. We had to come to my house because I couldn't find my wallet, but I found it. It's lit. I got some money. We are gonna go have some breakfast and then take care of some clothing stuff for the He Gains merchandise and my boys' little, you know, understated industries, you know, something like. But anyways, it's time to go splurge on some breakfast.
I jump up on the stage and do my money dance. I throw some money up and watch the money land. I do my money dance. I do my money dance. I jump up on the stage and do my money dance. I throw some money up and watch the money land. I do my money dance. I do my money dance.
Sick edit, right, dude? Edit was sick? Well, you haven't even seen it yet, but it's gonna be sick. Just agree in advance, so that way they don't shoot it down, you know, when it's gonna be fire. It's gonna be fire. You wanna take a picture?
Yeah.
I got you. Keep going, bro. Keep going a little bit. All right, cool. All right, now hit your pose. I got you with this depth of thing. Good. All right. Does this?
Book them for photography.
Book me. I do this. Wait, can I get a picture? Yeah.
Fuck a beat, I was tryna beat a case, but I ain't beat that case, bitch, I did the race. Beat it
book him, bro. What is this?
No, bro.
Don't book me. Don't book him.
No,
Book me.
Bro, you don't know how to pose, bro.
That's not true.
If you need any modeling done, don't call him.
That's all right. I'm not sending your pictures.
No, come on, bro.
I'm not sending your pictures. All right, but yeah, we about to enjoy some breakfast at Parkside Diner. We both never been here. We'll give you a review, tell you what you think. He got fake Gucci's on. Gang, gang, gang.
Nah, these real Gucci.
Nah. Let me end that. Cameron, how does it feel to be a loser? Wait,
Bro,
okay.
I'm the green.
Bro, it's right here. You have it in your hand.
I'm coloring this, bro.
No.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Look, I won right here,
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
and then we tied, and we tied.
You should
I'm the
record
winner.
it because they would have knew you were lying. I should just say.
I asked her for crayons. I'm gonna color. Okay, the waitress voted that his is better than mine. This is mine. Yo, mine is better. Mine is better.
My food even looks better than that. Nah, I'm lying.
No, my shit look good.
It's alright.
All right, we're gonna enjoy this. All right, Brody. On the count of 3.
1, 2, 3.
We run.
You didn't even let me know.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Taylor King, Taylor King, Taylor King, Taylor King.